In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total in one step in Google Sheets. Knowing how to quickly sum up a range of values can be a great time saver and tremendously beneficial, especially when you're dealing with extensive data sets. So let's dive right into it. First, ensure you have your Google Sheet open. If you haven't already created a new Google Sheets document, you'll want to go to your browser, open Google Sheets, and either create a new sheet or open an existing one where you want to perform your calculations. This step is essential because it's the starting point of our process, enabling us to apply the formula we are about to explore. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific cell where you want the total to appear. In this example, let's say we're going to use cell B9. Clicking directly on cell B9 will select it, and this is where your result will be displayed after we enter the formula. This straightforward step highlights the significance of knowing exactly where you want your result, preventing any confusion later in the process. With cell B9 selected, it's time to type in the formula. Go ahead and type in ISOL SUM B2 B7 into the selected cell. This is the core of the task, understanding and entering this formula correctly. What this formula does is sum up all the values from cell B2 to B7. Using the colon symbol in the formula indicates a range, so everything between B2 and B7, inclusive, will be added together. It's essential to get the syntax exactly right to prevent any errors, so make sure you start with the equal sign and that you have your parentheses correctly placed. Finally, with the formula entered, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will trigger the calculation, and you'll see the total appear in cell B9. The simplicity of pressing Enter to see immediate results is a satisfying conclusion to the task, showcasing the efficiency of using formulas in Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully calculated a total in one step. To wrap up, this quick and easy process allows you to sum up a range of cells in Google Sheets effortlessly. By knowing where to place your formula and entering it correctly, you can avoid unnecessary complexities and ensure that your data analysis is both time-efficient and accurate. Feel free to explore other functions in Google Sheets to extend your skills further. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.